If you're one of those people that's getting stopped out of all of their trades and then they go in your favor, I'm going to show you the exact reason why that's probably happening to you. You're not utilizing what we call premium and discount. In this example here, we have this bullish leg upwards. We're going to be looking for longs here because this is bullish order flow. But where exactly do you get your longs? So looking at this chart, I have an immediate entry that could take place at this order block right here, or I could go for a lower time frame fair value gap or anything like that. However, I'm gonna get stopped out every single time I take this position. Why? Because this is within the premium of this leg, which is the red area. What you want to do is you want to long under the midpoint of this leg, which is called our discount. Under this discount, we have not only about half of this fair value gap, but we also have an order block. So let's see what happens here. There you go. As you can see, we completely sliced through the upper order block that we had, and any other bullish fair value gap, anything that we had here, straight down to discount of this leg into the order block and the fair value gap I showed you guys. Now let's say you took an entry in at the order block, you'd have a stop loss below, and there you go. Before you know it, the trade's complete.